120 FPS, brought to you by the beautiful people here at InGaff, which is me and Pete, have created another brand new, totally free transition pack for you filmmakers to download for free, for no charge and no money going to us whatsoever. A free download pack for your Premiere Pro video edits. So if you like the idea of me and Pete being homeless, then this is the transition pack for you.
Which one are you giving away now?
This is the Travel and Vlog Transition Pack version 1.
Yeah, but everyone loves transition packs. You can sell that.
Yeah. So, yes, you could buy one from your favourite creator for, let's say, $30, because that's the kind of typical price of them.
Yeah.
Or I've made a bunch of transitions, made them a preset that you can install in Premiere Pro in one click, and you can use them for free.
Right. Let me tell you the problem here. This is another story, but this one's based on fact.
Right, yeah.
Once upon a time, somebody was listening to a podcast, and they heard that they could download a free transitions pack.
Yes, at 120fps.co.uk.
So they went to that website and then found out they had to give their email address in order to receive the download.
That is true.
Where it informed them that they were going to get other regular emails about more free transitions packs and free downloads.
Yes.
They then email and said, look, I appreciate I downloaded this pack, but I don't want you to email me anything else.
Yeah.
Remove me from your database.
I mean, that does make me sad when people unsubscribe from our mailing list after they've got stuff for free. But also, I couldn't care less.
Right, so keep going.
Just keep
plowing
on.
I don't know what else I can do, AJ, to try and convince you it's a stupid idea.
It is a stupid idea. But yeah, Travel and Vlog Transition Pack, available for you for free.
It's one of the better ones.
I reckon it's the best one we've done yet since the social media lower thirds.
It's the best one for cool kids.
It really is cool kids. For those of you that are unsure, yes, you can download it for free, 120fps.co.uk. I'll put a link below this video.
The catch is he takes your email address and he'll send you links to more free downloads. So
that will happen roughly, I don't know, once a fortnight or so. I'll email you.
Or special offers of some sort.
It's just mainly cool stuff that's free or cheap and we don't make any money from. For those of you unsure, and before I get a ton of comments on how to use it, I just want to go through it really, really quickly.
Right.
Download it from the website, 120fps.co.uk.
Okay, I've downloaded it.
Download it. Yeah. Unpack the zip folder.
I've just done that.
Double click. In Premiere Pro.
I'm opening Premiere Pro. Hold on. It's open.
The effects bit at the bottom left.
I'm there.
Yeah. Right click.
Okay, hold on. I've pressed right click.
Import effects.
Wait a second. I've done it.
Right. Okay. Find the file you downloaded.
Hold on. Yep.
And now you've got a new folder in there called Transition Vlog.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. That one. Yeah. InGaff Travel Vlog Transitions, I think it's called.
Yep. You're right. Here it is.
All right. And now how to use them, you drag and drop onto your clips.
Okay. I've got this bit of footage here.
Right. If you want it to work really well, the effect is bound to how long the clip is.
Ooh.
So cut the clip to be the length of the transition.
Okay, hold on. I've got my transition.
Yeah.
There's my clip.
Yeah.
And I'm dropping it on.
Yeah. And you've cut it to be like 10 frames, let's say, and you put it on there.
I'm not going to count the frames.
No, it should be short.
I can see it short.
Yeah. Otherwise, it'll be the whole length of the clip. And if that's 30 seconds long, it won't work right.
Look, it looks fine.
Yeah. And if you want it to be really cool, overlap the transition onto the shot you're transitioning to on a video layer underneath it.
Yep. Here we are. Yep.
And it will look even better.
Okay.
Done.
All right. How do I know it works?
You watch it.
Okay. I'm gonna wind it back a little bit and watch if that's okay.
Yeah.
Just wait for me a second.
Okay.
And play.
Right. Yeah. And there you go. And they are.
Can you not talk over it? I'm just playing my video.
I don't care about your video.
Okay. Well, it looked good anyway.
Did it?
You messed it up, but visually it looked interesting.
In your imagination.
Yes.
Yes. Free for you. Download, links below. Make us a little bit poorer. And if you really, really do want to share the love, we do have memberships on the channel. You can join us on our YouTube channel or just share it. share it a little bit. The more people we get to see it, the better it is for us.
And the more people download stuff for free.
More people download stuff for free, and the cycle continues. And I'll make more of them whenever I can be bothered.